Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Look even better than before. Thank you, Jen.
Sure.
Ingredients is back home, but it tastes so good.
It's organic, man.
Tree hugger.
Shouldn't have gotten the presents. Mommy!
What? No friend of mine will stay in the hotel in my village. You will stay with my...
Mater, let's go! You're on!
Boy, we ain't as dumb as you think we are.
Hey, I gotta get to California pronto.
Where's your lawyer?
I don't know. Tahiti, maybe. He's got...
I hereby dub thee Sir Toe.
But you'll never be one of us.
Worry about it, kid. It's the least I could do. After all, gas can is my middle name.
It is?
Drop and give me 20 miles! Go, 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 go! Go!
Man, now I've got dirt.
I've been kind of lonely. Nobody to hang out with. I may accept the dining cove.
Remember, your brakes ain't gonna work on these. Ah, relax. These ain't.
All right, if you can drive as good as you can fix a road, then you can win this race with your eyes shut.
I'm sorry, sir. I really am.
I did.
Man, you're blocking my view. Could you please step aside?
Oh, sure.
Esos no son faros. Son tubos de escape.
Where did he go?
Excuse me, mister.
No, you're getting a car wash, McQueen.
Get them back now. We gotta run.
Aquí recto. Ya hice mis
7 y fuera.
Oh, number 7 is loose. Shoot, Todoroki. Lightning McQueen!
Good job. Thank you so much for having us, sir.
It is the sweet taste of my homemade organic fuel.
No, doesn't agree with my tank.
You will see him like this as he drives away from me.
That's cute.
Road is Big Al.
Busy? Big Al left like 15 years ago.
Then why are you bringing him up, you lemon?
You boys need to get your rusty tails down here. I created a drink in your honor.
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will beat his cry baby.
Customers, everyone! Customers!
Look at me, I'm drifting.
What are you doing, kid?
I think the king should finish his last race.
Tough negotiators, by the way.
Oh, you flatter us, but don't stop.
Anyway, just one.
Con questi bulloni del cavolo, le minicar non funzionano.
What's he saying? What's wrong?
None of his